While there are plenty of people out there that will tell you you can remove the coils without removing the bumper cover and the other steps, and while you can, it is a pain. We are going to show you all of the Porsche recommended procedures. First, remove the rear bumper cover. The coils are located behind the intercooler housing. Remove the housing. This image shows the area you will be reaching through with a series of extensions, wobblers, universal joints to access the coils. I found it easier just to remove everything. If you want to do that, please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with all of those tasks. With everything removed, you have two heat shields to remove, red and blue arrows. Use a 14mm socket and remove the 3 fasteners holding the exterior heat shield in place, indicated by red arrows. There is a small heat shield covering the coils, blue arrow, and the turbo air intake pipe needs to be removed, red arrow. Use an E10 torque and remove the fastening ring, red arrow. Pull the pipe off of the turbo, inspect and replace as needed the O-ring for the pipe, blue arrow. There is a PCV valve on the right side, red arrow. You can just let the pipe hang by this. When reinstalling, make sure to line up the tab on the pipe, green arrow, with the cutout in the turbo and torque the clamp to 5.5 Newton meters or 4 foot-pounds. Use a T30 torque and remove the 2 screws holding the heat shield in place, red arrows. Remove the heat shield towards the rear, red arrow. You now have access to the 3 coils indicated by the blue arrows. If you are troubleshooting the coils or just want to make sure that you put them back in the same order, I like to number them. Press in on the tabs on the electrical connectors and slip them off of the coils, red arrows. There's not a lot of room to work, but take your time. You do not want to break these connections. Use a T30 torque and remove the single screw holding each coil in place, red arrow. Slightly twist and pull the coils straight back and out. You will need a little tug to get them to release their hold on the plugs. It is impossible to check if the coil is good by looking at it, unless there is physical damage to it. Installation is the reverse of removal. When reinstalling, torque both the coil screw and the heat shield screws to 10 Newton meters or 7.5 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.